Suppose there are n married couples, so n men and n women. We want to find how many ways can we choose a man and a woman who are not married to each other. Let's start simple. We have n men and n women. So if we pick any man and any woman, the total number of possible pairs is n times n equals n squared. This includes all possible man-woman combinations. And it also includes the actual husband and wife combination. Now, the next step is to remove the forbidden pairs. We are not allowed to choose a husband and his own wife. So each couple contributes exactly one such forbidden pair. There's n couples, which means there are n forbidden pairs. So all we have to do is just subtract the invalid pairs from the total. So we said the total was n squared, and there's n actual pairs with the husband with the actual wife. So we do n squared minus n, which we can factor out n from both and get n times n minus 1. So the number of valid ways to choose a man and a woman who are not married to each other is n times the quantity n minus 1. And that is the answer.